Good morning, my name is Boris and welcome to my channel, High on Low Tide. If you enjoy awesome beaches, this video is for you. This is a short introduction for my next few videos from Lan Ha Bay, Vietnam. In my latest video on this channel, I went on a boat trip in Ha Long Bay and the beaches I found were so amazing that I decided to go back to a nearby area, this time to Lan Ha Bay for another 2 boat trips. I gotta say, I am very lucky to be able to make this video because I almost lost my drone at the first location. As you can see it in this clip, I lost control over the drone and it almost flew into the sea. I was able to lift it back up into the air basically in the last few seconds. That was scary. I'm not a pro drone pilot, I've never had such an experience before, but it was all good in the end. I was able to shoot at different locations during the 2 boat trips. So this video is a short drone footage montage about the beaches I visited because Lan Ha Bay is just as mind-blowing as Ha Long Bay. Lan Ha Bay is easier and cheaper to visit than Ha Long Bay. It is a smaller area and it is just around Cat Ba Island, so the distances are shorter too. The beaches are not really famous though. Most people come here for the rock islands, which are amazing, but so are the beaches, as you can see. On these 2 boat trips I saw many beaches that could rival famous beach destinations in the southern part of Vietnam. So, if you like beaches, Lan Ha Bay should be on your bucket list too. It's very easy to organize a boat trip to any of the islands and I'm going to share the details in the coming videos. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe and like this video. That's a huge help for me. It's highly appreciated. Thank you for your support. Have an awesome day and see you in Lan Ha Bay.